Morning. Algebra. To prove it is related to the law of index, घाताङ्कको नियम अनुसार छ. If a equal x to the power q plus r into y to the power p, comma b equal x to the power r plus p into y to the power q, and c equal x to the power p plus q into y to the power r, prove that a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus q into c to the power p minus q equal 1. लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड द स्टुडेन्ट विद्यार्थीहरूले जाँचमा कसरी लेख्नुपर्छ त्यही अनुसार गरेको छ. सी सोल्युसन लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड, just write down the left hand side what is given. This is given. Now put the values of a, b and c. A equal x to the power q plus r into y to the power p. A value power q minus r. Then what you do? Into q minus r into b. B value x to the power r plus p into y to the power q whole power r minus p into value of c. This is the value of c, x to the power p plus q into y to the power r whole into p minus q whole power. And you can write the power either here or there. Whole power p minus q. Now what you do? Just by the law into multiply q plus r into q minus r into y to the power p into q minus r. Just apply the rule. This into this, multiply p into q minus r into the same way here, x to the power r plus p into r minus p into y to the power q into r minus p into this one, x to the power p plus q into p minus q. यसले दुवैलाई इन्टु गर्ने, multiply the powers into x into y to the power r into p minus q. Just remove the bracket. Equal x to the power q plus r q minus r q square minus r square into y to the power p into q minus r pq minus pr into this one, x to the power r square minus p square into y to the power qr minus pq into this one, x to the power p plus q p minus q p square minus q square into y to the power rp means pr into minus rq qr. A plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. Now x. Collecting like terms, like bases and add the powers. X q square minus r square plus r square minus p square plus p square minus q square into y. Power y. Add all the powers of y. Y to the power pq minus pr plus qr minus pq plus pr minus qr. Now what you can do? Cancel. Plus and minus cancel. R square cancel. P square cancel. Here pq and pq. pr, qr. x to the power 0 into y to the power 0. 1 into 1, 1, right hand side, proved. Finally, this is the question. A to the power q minus r, b to the power r minus p, c to the power p minus q. Put the values of a, b, c and multiply the powers. Collecting like terms, like bases, and add all the powers. X to the power 0 into y to the power 0, 1 into 1 equal 1. Hence proved. Today this much. Next time others.